Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Pro, and let me show you how to insert here the micro SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. Let's choose power off and tap power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards let's open the special tray right here. So in order to open this tray, you have to use some Fumber Tackle special eject tool. So here I have such a tool, the Fumber Tack. Let me press this tool right here to open the following tray. Excellent. Let's remove the whole thing from your device. And here you can insert the SIM and SD card. In the first slot you can insert the Nano SIM or micro SD card, but in my case let me choose the micro SD, so let's place this card in that position. Excellent. Let's locate and let's place the micro SIM with the characteristic edge right here, and now you can insert the whole thing into your device. So let me do it as simple as that, and let's press it to the end. Now let's press power key to switch on the device. The Xiaomi is turning on. Let's wait until your phone will be ready to use. Excellent. As you can see now, you may use your device, so everything went well. But let me check if both cards are working properly. So let's choose settings, choose SIM cards. As you can see, the device is reading my SIM card, so it's a good sign. Then let's also scroll down, choose storage. As you can see, the device is reading our SD card, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.